Despite earnest requests, the armed forces of Ukraine could not receive MRH-90 Taipan helicopters from Australia. Instead, the Australian government decided to dismantle all 45 decommissioned MRH-90 Taipan helicopters. Canberra explained its decision due to safety issues with these helicopters. It could be unsafe to try to operate them. The MRH-90 Mountain helicopter replaced the UH-1 Equus in 2008 and largely replaced the S-70A Black Hawk between 2014 and 2018. In the summer of 2023, a Taipan crashed during a joint exercise between Australia and the US, killing 4 soldiers. In the fall of 2023, Canberra decided to decommission these helicopters earlier than expected. Initially slated for withdrawal in 2037, the helicopters have a history of problems, resulting in fleet-wide groundings over the years. Ukraine, grappling with the air dominance of the Russian forces, officially requested the Taipans in December, arguing that they are essential for bolstering their defense capabilities. Ukrainian supporters in Australia said that the helicopters could play a critical role in the Ukrainian frontline, aiding in the fight for freedom and democracy. Australian officers have maintained their stance on dismantling and burying the aging Taipan aircraft at a designated defense site. This decision stems from heightened concerns over the safety and reliability of the retiring Taipan fleet. The phased-out Taipans are said to be replaced by 40 UH-60M Black Hawk helicopters. However, as of now, only a handful of these US-manufactured aircraft have been delivered to Australia. An Australian defense spokesperson said that the remaining airframes and systems would be disposed of in an environmentally friendly and cost-effective manner. There are ongoing collaborative efforts with Airbus Australia Pacific and NATO helicopters industries to service essential spare parts from the MRH-90 fleet. The goal is to repurpose these components for use by another NH-90 operators. Australia has operated 47 MRH-90s since 2012. Despite offering superior range, speed, carrying capacity, and poor weather performance to its rivals, the aircraft had been temporarily grounded several times previously due to serviceability and safety concerns. The Taipan, being an adaptation of the NH-90 type, currently in service with a number of NATO countries. The MRH-90 featured an advanced composite airframe designed for ballistic tolerance, a high level of crashworthiness, lower weight, and 30% greater endurance than a metallic counterpart. The helicopter is 16.13 meters long and 5.23 meters high, and has an empty weight of 6,400 kilograms and a maximum take-off weight of 10,600 kilograms. It is capable of conducting missions under difficult weather conditions. The 4 main rotor blades are also composed of composite materials, increasing fatigue strength and lifespan while providing for greater damage tolerance. The cabin is designed to accommodate modular equipment packages to enable the rotorcraft to be rapidly reconfigured, providing for operational flexibility. In a tube transport capacity, the cabin can accommodate up to 20 fully equipped soldiers or up to 12 stretchers in a medical evacuation role. Some light vehicles may be also transported. The main cabin is equipped with environmental control systems and soundproofing measures to improve passenger conditions. The MRH-90 is the first helicopter in the world to be equipped with full fly-by-wire flight controls. A 4-axis autopilot is also integrated with the fly-by-wire system, as are mission and navigation systems to enable greater autonomy during operations and to reduce pilot workload. The avionics system also consists of a mission system to manage tactical communications, sensors, and flight planning, weather radar, and forward-looking infrared systems. Power is provided by a pair of Rolls-Royce Turbomeca RTM322 engine, which generate an output power of 2,230 shaft horsepower each. This powerful engine incorporates a 4-bladed main rotor and a high-position tail rotor, help the helicopter can fly at a maximum speed of 300 km per hour and has a range of 800 km. It can operate at a surface ceiling of 20,000 feet and can climb at a rate of 8 meters per second. Australia has had something of a troubled history with its Taipans. Severe procurement and operating cost blowouts, mechanical failures, high maintenance costs, difficulty in obtaining spare parts, and several whole fleet groundings have plagued the aircraft. Australian military authorities were also disappointed with the helicopter's operational fitness for purpose, particularly their capacity for carrying sufficient fully laden combat troops was another black mark against the Taipan. Despite mounting pressure from the Ukrainian community, the final decision rests with the Australian government. Australia is a significant non-NATO contributor to Ukraine's war effort.